The business Nespresso coffee machine works as simple as the normal models. Fill the tank with water. Make sure that the tank is fixed correctly. Switch on the machine and wait until the white light stops flashing. Open the handle and put in your coffee capsule. Close the handle and bring your cup in position. Choose your desired coffee, espresso, lungo, etc., and enjoy your coffee. Please empty the used capsule box frequently. For more coffee capsules, visit the laundry room. Different flavors are available there for just €1.